What is up, guys? So we're here in the streets of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, and we're looking for a haircut, a good quality haircut. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung UAE is a very diverse country. So it's very unique because mostly dito is mga expat or yung mga kumbaga dayo. Pagkakaalam ko, ang UAE is dominated by number 1 Indians, number 2 Pakistan, tapos parang Bangladesh yung parang ngatlo, then pang-apat Egypt, and then pang-lima ata yung Philippines sa number of population here. Ganun siya ka-unique and ka-diverse. So with that being said, that means we can experience yung nag-viral na Indian haircut and head massage. And that is our goal today, to get an Indian haircut plus head massage. Bro, there's a barbershop here? Barbershop, haircut? Where? In front? Okay. So ito, may barbershop dito. Assalamualaikum. Bro, you do shampoo? And then haircut? Okay. How about head massage? Okay. So how much for haircut? 20, and then plus head massage. Huh? 15. Okay. Yeah, same mid-fade and then on the top, little trim.
ശരിക്കും പണം കൈപ്പറ്റി ഒരു നയാ പൈസ പണം നൽകിയിട്ടില്ല ഈ പറയുന്നവർ മനസ്സിലാക്കി ഈ കഥകളെ PM ശ്രീ കരാർ നടപ്പാക്കാതിരിക്കാനുള്ള ഉപസമിതി PM ശ്രീ നടപ്പാക്കാനുള്ള നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുന്ന